We have finally arrived in Finland, here at the central station. This is the central station here in Helsinki. Good morning, Helsinki. We are here after a short bus ride. We are going to take a look around and discover what we can about this beautiful city. In front of us is the Chapel of Silence. Just around the corner from the Campy Square, you run into this. We're not sure exactly what it is, but it's pretty cool the way they built it. This is the Finnish Art Museum here. We are outside of the World Trade Center, where there appears to be plenty of restaurants and cafes, and then there's a big shopping center over here to the right. Down here by the water in Helsinki, we're ready to enter the food hall here. This is the interior of the food market. Some beautiful cinnamon rolls and baked items. This is a Finnish pastry that's only made here. It's a Finnish May Day pastry. Just about anything and everything that you could want in here. It's hard to make a choice. Look at those.
Reindeer spring rolls.
Ooh, reindeer spring rolls. Lots of seafood items, since we're so close to the sea. That sounds good. Victor's Garden. This is where we are having lunch today. This is the outdoor market as opposed to the indoor one that we were in before. Going to take a sightseeing tour here in a little bit, now that we've finished lunch. We're on the boat, getting ready for our little tour of the canals. Saunas are super popular here in Finland, and most everybody will build one down close to the waterway. We have entered one of the canals. This was made to make the trip to Helsinki shorter. We gotta go pretty slow. Wow, yep. These ships are actually called icebreakers, and that's exactly what they do. They break through the ice on the waters so that ships, container ships and imports and bags get through. It's a random Wednesday afternoon concert in the park. And here we have the Parliament building here in Helsinki. Everything is so well manicured, and they have nice little walkways and green space. Statue of the 4th president of Finland, created by his son. Walking along, and then this building here in front of us with the tower is the History Museum. This is the side of the museum. This is behind the museum, the History Museum, and this is the National Museum. Of the highlights for today, this is the Rock Church. It's a big Lutheran church. This is just the back side of it here. It's built into a rock. So we're walking through a little park here on our way to the water, where we will have lunch at a predetermined location. So this is a monument to a famous Finnish composer. I think it was Sibelius. Anyway, it's just a little bit down from the park is the water. And here is the location of our lunch, the Regatta Cafe. The novelty of this place is that you order inside your hot dog or your marshmallows. You bring them out here and you cook them over the fire like these little guys do them with just marshmallows. And then you just take... We got a broccoli cheese pie, which is kind of like a quiche. And then 2 sausages, which Mark will get ready here. So there he is, getting our sausages ready. Built in 1862, this is the Upinski Orthodox Church. It's a beautiful, beautiful building. The Helsinki Cathedral. It's beautiful. So big. Staircase going up to it.
This is all Senator Square right here.
In the middle of Helsinki. So this is up close here at the Cathedral of Helsinki. It's gorgeous. We're gonna go in here in a second, but there's no videotaping, unfortunately. This is the front, and over there are the steps that we just walked up. And there's the stairs leading down to the main part of the street.